our latest innovation, the heatJET. It's called that because it's incredibly fast. What do we all know? We're all familiar with that type of boiler, the one with an air duct and 5 stainless steel tubes, where the parking heater pushes the hot air through to heat up the water. The efficiency is, due to the design, just kind of average. What we did is we completely rethought this entire situation and created the following device. It's only 14 centimeters deep. I can place it directly in connection with the heating. Then the hot air continues outside or into my heating system. The key point here is that I'm transferring the heat from the heating system directly over to the drinking water through this air heater unit. Installed here is a small pump, which then circulates this drinking water throughout the entire boiler system, which results in us having the first warm water within 3 minutes, and after 15 minutes the boiler is completely full of hot water. That is an absolute world first. I don't think you can get hot water any faster. Also, still a part of this installation is an automatic air flap that, upon the push of a button when hot water is requested, automatically directs the entire hot airflow to the heatJET, thus giving us optimal utilization and efficiency. Once the water heating process is complete, which is determined by a thermostat, the flap switches back to the heating operation. A key point during installation is that the installation can be aligned. I can put the boiler somewhere else just like before, so I no longer have this chain of long appliances, such as the heater and boiler, which really created significant hurdles for my setup or the planning. Consequently, the heater can now also sit next to the boiler, or the boiler can sit above the heater, just as you like. You are much more flexible with this installation, so more effectively you have faster hot water, the first hot water within 3 minutes, easier installation and lower energy consumption.